Next, let us see some attributes for TR also. Now for TR, we are going to learn two attributes. The first attribute is align. Align equal to center. Now when we use align equal to center for TR, in that case, all the data which is present in that row will be aligned to center. Now in this case, we are using it for the second row. So after we have written align center, we will save this. After saving, let's check out. Now you can observe the second row 1, Jack and 23. All three columns have been aligned to center. We are going to see one more attribute of TR, that is BG color. BG color equal to orange. And say, when we use attribute BG color for TR, the complete row will have the background color. So let's refresh. Here, the second row that we have has BG color as orange. These are the attributes of TR. These attributes can be used for TD and TH also. So let us use them here. We are using for one of the heading BG color equal to blue. Say. Now when we use for TH or for TD, only that cell will be in blue background. So let's check the output. Now here we can see that only name of the person is going to be displayed in blue color. One more attribute that we have is align. Align equal to right. Now in this case, row is aligned to center, but if we use align equal to right, in that case, Jack will be aligned to right side. However, the other two columns, that is 1 and 23, they will be aligned in center. So let us see the output. So here we can see Jack is moving to right hand side. These attributes can be used depending on what do you want to display on the web page. We have two more attributes of TD and TH, which are row span and call span. Let us understand those also. For those examples, let us open a new notepad. Students, this is the new notepad where we have written the code for row span and call span attributes. This is the output. Now first let us see that how do we want the table. Here you can observe for serial number, it is using two rows. That means first two rows are merged together to form one single cell. Similarly, in the name also, we can see two rows are merged to form one cell. In the next one, that is exam, we can see two columns have been merged to form a cell. So whenever we have to use some kind of merging, we use row span and call span. If rows are merged, we use row span. If columns are merged, we use call span. Students, it is a very common mistake that some of them write row span and call span as attributes of TR tag, which is wrong. If you write it for TR, you will not get the desired output. Row span and call span are attributes of TH tag. So let's see what have we written in the code. Doc type HTML, head, title, body, BG color equal to hexadecimal code, which is the color code for this green color. H1, which is the heading, table using row span and call span. We close H1, we start table, border equal to 3. So here we have used a border also. We start with the first row. In the first row, we can observe the first cell. It is merging of two rows and it is a heading. we use th tag. tr, th, row span equal to 2. Since there are 2 rows, that is why row span equal to 2. Serial number. It will be the text which is going to be displayed in the merged cell. We close th. Next one, name. For name also, 2 rows have been merged. And that is why we write th row span equal to 2 and name. We close th. In the next one, we can see 2 columns have been merged. So we write th call span is 2, exam, close th and close tr. So this is the ending of the first row. Next, we start with the second row. In the second row, you can observe that we have no data over here in the first column. There is no data in the second column also. And that is the reason when we write tr, we are not going to write any tags for first and second row. For second row, we write tr, th theory, close th practical and close th. And finally, we close our tr. In this case, first column and second column, they already have the data and we will not write the data again. We will write data for the third column and fourth column. After completing the row span and call span, then we will move to the second row. Td as 1, then next Td as Jack, Td as 76 and Td as 90. We close tr. Similarly, we have written the data in the third row for 4 different columns: Td2, Td Jill, Td78 and Td18. So we complete all the rows. We close the table tag, we close the body tag and we close the edge table tag. Thus, in this example, we have seen for merging rows, we use row span. For merging columns, we use